If you suffer with dandruff, here's a great recipe how to get rid of dandruff fast. You're gonna love this hack, and you'll never need another anti-dandruff shampoo again if you try this recipe. And it's something that I really found by accident trying to help my son who had some flakiness on his scalp, and wanting to do something natural because I don't really like the anti-dandruff shampoos because it sort of just coats the scalp and works like a wax on the scalp. So yes, the dandruff appears to be gone, but it's not really treating the root cause of the dandruff, which is usually a fungal issue and is related to candida. So by doing this combination with the essential oil of lemongrass and castor oil, which we know is great for the scalp, great for hair growth, that combination is amazing to get rid of that dandruff for good. Okay, so all you're gonna do is mix in 2 tablespoons of castor oil into a dish, and then you're going to mix in your 10 drops of lemongrass essential oil. Now, by mixing this just with your finger, then you're going to apply that to the scalp. So I mix that together and separating the hair and applying it and rubbing it into the scalp, and doing this at bedtime is what I do recommend, and then washing it out in the morning. And that's exactly what my son did the first time. The next day he went to school and there still has that little bit of an after scent of lemons, and all the kids were like, oh, even the teacher, you smell so good, what is that? And that was because of this great anti-dandruff concoction. Now, of course, he didn't tell them what it was for, but he smelled great, and great news is that dandruff was gone completely, and you usually don't have to repeat this, but if you do, maybe a month or 2 months down the road, if that dandruff comes back, of course, always addressing that candida from the inside out is most important. So for more tips though on how to get rid of the candida, please check out my video, 9 tips to get rid of parasites and candida. I'll see you there.